Okay, it's a Japanese word for a
Gazi.
warrior, a brave warrior. Okay, so the one to serve is samurai. So Hamza, is it okay if I just put this word? Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, is it okay if I change the last sentence?
Okay,
Hamza
ma'am.
had written what had you written? What was the last sentence that you had written, Hamza?
He is definitely he is just and he just not an ordinary kid.
He's not just an ordinary kid. Right. So I just wrote it as he is a born samurai. Okay, a born warrior. That's what I changed from his story. And then
And
who else? Yeah.
first I and Hamdan thought that we won't make a nice story because Jack and
You
Jill
know,
and Graham
honestly
didn't match.
speaking, Ibrahim, the characters when you all introduced Jack and Jill and grandfather, I was like, I had the same opinion. I thought maybe your story is going to be the weakest of all, but you guys went above and beyond my expectation. Okay. Rushda's story required very less editing too. It was very well written. And Batul, I loved it. I don't know, for a minute I thought that maybe Batul has taken it from some story, some Arabic story, and we don't know about it. But then I was like, no, let me trust this girl, and she must have definitely come up with her own work. So it was so well written that I couldn't believe that it's written by a kid. I couldn't have reached that level. Okay, so here we have how about Aisha and Juveria? You'll send me the story.
No.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah. So I'll do one thing.
Should
I'll
I
let
send you
Wahab.
my story of Sophia? Ma'am,
Yes.
should I send you now?
Yes, please send it. Please send it on Google Classroom. And Humaira, just a minute. I'll just let Muhammad and Mohammed go into one breakout room where they can discuss and have
the character description.
edit their story a little. Okay. Muhammad Saqib.
Dad, but you forgot to write about the Peter and the Tony one, who came first and who came second in the race. And then how did they came? How did they lose?
Listen, Mohammed. Describe Raven. Give a character description for Raven. All right. And then give a setting. Talk a little about Raven, the character, in the first paragraph. Second paragraph, may you say that she was captured and taken by the what was the name? Seth.
And my number was George Starship and Bamba.
Yes. Umar, you had to say something. Muhammad, join the meeting breakout room.
He is very cute.
Yes, go ahead. Umar, you are speaking.
Type the story. Strong.
Yes, Omar and Anas, go ahead and type the story.
Is very.
No, ma'am,
Yeah.
not. I have my tab.
Is very.
Okay, so Anas, what do you have? You have a phone or a?
Has.
I have both mine.
Okay, fine. Aisha's father is 14. You got it.
Very powerful.
Both in the sense, you have a laptop, a PC wherein you can type. Anas.
Yeah, tab. I can type it.
Actually, you can type it on the tab. So Anas, go ahead and type out the story. Okay. The picture that you send, instead of that, type it out in Word document and post it on Google Classroom. Yes, that should be fine. Umar, I did not receive character description and setting beta. Okay, I just received. Anas only posted the story. I want the character description and setting. So how about you go and work on that? And others, are we ready to listen to Humaira's story, the most awaited one? Yes, Aisha Aga.
You got my story.
I got your story. I edited it, and it's wonderful. Okay.
Ma'am.
So now I really want everybody to listen to Humaira's story and let us all help her out, with our opinions and perspectives.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is this book
So we have a lot of grammatical mistakes, ma'am. So what will you will get less marks for that. You will get some marks.
I don't know. You want me to cut marks?
No, ma'am.
Marks are not important, honestly, if you ask me. Your attempt of writing a story and it compiling into a book is the biggest achievement that you could have had. That is my goal. That's my motive. Okay. How much you get out of 50 is not really my motive.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the SDG one is for how many marks? It's 50.
50.
How
Everything is 50. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
I sended you the video. Did you see it?
I sent.
I sent you the video yesterday. Did you see it? And that's
yes,
the only one.
I saw, and that's a very good video, Ibrahim. Now, before you want to let everybody know what you've already prepared, we'll keep our
No,
mouth shut.
it's a suspense.
Yes, so we'll keep our mouth shut. Okay. Now, also the suggestions that you gave me for the topics, out of those, we've come up with, we decided to take Warrior Writes Super Story book. And instead of Warrior, we thought of changing it to Witty. Okay. Because Warrior would have described it as some war stories, which is not the case. Okay. Our stories differ.
What
in
means
ways.
witty?
Witty means very clever. Okay. Funny and clever. So Witty writes super stories. That's what we've thought of going with. Cool?
I'm cool.
Okay.
Story for kids.
What?
We shouldn't mention the number.
No, we are not mentioning the number. So that is what has been decided, and we'll have the illustration hopefully. Humaira Qasim, we've been waiting. Let's go. I'll mute everybody except for you, Humaira. Okay. Yes. Humaira, unmute yourself and start talking, bacha.
Ma'am, magical cat story.
Magical cat story. Okay.
Our cat name is Sophia. He is very helpful to the people than me. He is very cute pet in my home.
Okay.
He is very strong. He can catch the mouse. He has very powerful nails.
Okay.
And one day, one cat and another cat are fighting together. That time, my Sophia cat go there and tell, please don't fight. Please don't fight. What is your problem? The two cats tell, it is my dress. And everyone fights. And the cat and my cat Sophia tell, please don't fight. I can give you two dress head. Finish.
Okay. Okay. Fine. You know when Humaira was narrating the story, y'all remember when we were young, like say pre-primary section, and we used to read, when we first started reading, the cat is on the mat. Y'all remember that?
Yeah,
Anyone? Or I am the only old one over here?
Yes, ma'am. I remember.
Yes,
You
when
are
we first
basically the
started.
1991.
Yes, I am the
Ma'am,
90s baby.
Number 8 was a very short story. Very
Yeah,
nice.
it's supposed to be short, you know.
I don't remember.
Ma'am, still when I said it to my sister, you know what she does? She said,
Yes.
no, the cat is not on the mat, the cat is on my head.
Okay, I like the story, and
Ma'am, I
I
cannot
will want to
remember.
develop a story little more around. Yes.
It was looking like that she just made the story right now. Someone was telling her from the side.
Don't say that, Abdullah. Okay. Yes, Juveria, you had something to say?
I
See,
remember
she's
that.
showing you the story. She's written it, okay? Abdullah. Nobody was telling her. She has proof. There you are, Humaira. I like you for your bravery. She's a
Only
very brave girl.
15% out of 100.
Keep quiet.
Written, not.
Juveria, you were saying. Tell me.
Ma'am, I remember that Cat on the Mat because Zainab still reads it.
Oh, okay, that's perfect. You know what? So when I was listening to her story, I realized that we, through our stories, will be targeting a lot of audiences. Okay. Now, not necessary that only the most literate ones and the most knowledgeable ones are going to read our story. When it's going to be put up, it's going to be available for all. Right? So I think it should reach out to all the age group and children, especially Humaira's story, Aisha Aga's story. You know, these stories are meant for kids. These stories are meant for kids, and I would
Ma'am, I
love
wanted to show you something.
if kids could read these stories and learn how to read. You know, that
Ma'am,
would
can
be
I show you
brilliant.
something?
Yes.
Ma'am, see, this is the children bookshelf Amazon one which you are going to put up our books in.
Oh,
See, I have the bookmark of that because
okay,
I got a book from there.
that is cool. That's very.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
still read the Cat in the Hat.
You still read the Cat in the Hat. Trust me, Umar, until last year even I used to read Dr. Seuss' Cat in the Hat. Okay?
Ma'am, I see the cartoon also, ma'am.
You watched the cartoon.
Ma'am,
Yes.
started
Somewhere
reading
are still
Panther.
children.
I started
And I
seeing
can't send in Google
It's
Classroom
very
because
funny.
there is no option, right?
Okay,
Ma'am,
that is all right. Anas, have you finished typing?
Which one?
बेटा story जो book में लिखी हो ना आपने Anas,
There
first
is
start
no option,
typing
ma'am.
it. First start
There is-
typing it, beta.
Where?
In the
Ma'am, what we
Microsoft
will do
Word.
now?
Yeah. So I have a story for you. In today's class, I've got a special story for you. We'll have a discussion on that story. So because we've written so many stories and we have become writers and authors ourselves, let us still appreciate the other stories that we have. Okay.
Mother said now I can make my own story. And now I'm working on
You very much can. You have the ability, you have the skill, the imagination, creativity. There is nothing that you guys lack. All right. Who is this nameless person in my class?
Rushda.
Hey, Rishta. She doesn't write names.
And because of our background, we cannot see her name. In the
Oh,
chat
no,
also.
no,
No,
she doesn't.
it is not like
She's
that.
not. See, she's renamed her.
Ma'am, I can also do that.
He just
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. That's not appreciated. There she is, Aisha Aga with her screen sharing. Okay. Here I go. Where was this supposed to be? The story. Okay, before we move on to the story, I would really want you all to go ahead and grab a storybook in your house right now. Come on. Go.
No, I don't have any stories.
Ma'am,
That's fine.
Storybook.
Ma'am, I don't have a storybook, but I have a novel.
Bring. It should be
Ma'am,
storybook.
any book? Ma'am, any book?
Yes,
The author
and
wanted to.
Storybook होना चाहिए. Storybook.
No, I
Recipe
don't
books
have
नहीं
any
लाना.
stories.
Not a comic book.
No comics, only storybooks.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
can.
but
I don't have any
I
stories.
haven't read it till
Anas,
now.
I've heard you better and it is okay. You stay.
I
there.
haven't read it till now.
Yeah. Tell
Ma'am,
me. I can hear you.
Ma'am, I have a story.
Perfect.
Ma'am,
Storybook.
storybook only. Of
Okay.
prophet. Ma'am, of
Excellent.
prophet.
ठीक है. I'm coming. Wait. Yes, the Prophet King. Very good, Humaira. Billy Bryson. Okay, there she is.
Ma'am, the
Humaira.
author who wanted to know.
The author. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hobbit
Ma'am.
with Rushda. Yes.
ma'am, I'm not able to post it on Google Classroom. Like
WhatsApp.
how
WhatsApp.
to post.
Private WhatsApp. Send it on
And then
WhatsApp.
ma'am will post it.
Ma'am, I also sent it in the private WhatsApp.
Ah, did you? Okay, I'll check.
Yeah, ma'am.
The best of Indian wit and wisdom. Okay.
I'm Wanda.
Wanda! You have Wanda? Oh my God, Hamza,
Ma'am, I saw
you
that
have a
movie.
piece
It
of
was
my
very
heart.
nice.
I am coming in a minute.
You were holding a
my
piece
Ma'am, I
of
got
my
my
heart.
book. Ma'am, I got my book.
But I've
ma'am.
read it. Yeah,
Really?
I've even seen the movie, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is it? It's
I
a thriller.
cried.
What?
I
It's a
cried
thriller,
when
ma'am. Then what is it?
what
It
is
is
it,
about a
Hamza?
boy who
Can you
has
please
Hamza.
explain me for a second?
Hamza, I want a storybook, beta. Not just any book, a storybook.
Ma'am, I got a storybook.
Aisha Aga. Ah! There she is, Asma. Cute little Asma. Hi. Yes, Abdullah, show your storybook.
Ma'am, Alex Rider's Snakehead.
Okay. How about others?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Juvaria, what do you have? I want to see.
Batul, what is that?
You have a nice
Homeless?
selection.
Homeless bird? Okay.
Periodic table.
Yes. No.
A book.
A storybook, beta. A storybook.
What is it? I want to see. Bill Bryson.
Bill Bryson.
Really
Shorts?
short story.
No. Short what? Hold it properly, na Juveria. She's putting it
A
up.
real short history of nearly everything.
Ma'am, I got.
Is that a fiction?
No.
Ma'am,
It should be fiction.
ma'am.
Yes. The Chimney Corner collection. Yes, that's right.
Ma'am, Hamza has renamed himself as Alfia Soni. Hamza
Huh?
has renamed himself as Alfia Soni.
I'll-
I was confused of it.
I'll
Yeah,
name
ma'am.
myself as
Hamza.
Hamza.
Hamza Sheikh. Okay.
Opposite. Hamza is our teacher now.
Yes. All right. Now that
Ma'am,
everybody
I
has a
have
book. Huh? What are you saying? Okay, there she is, Aisha Aga with her storybook. Perfect. Okay. Now what I want you all to do is first, before you open the book, what do you see?
Book cover. Book title.
Book cover.
What is that part called? It's called the cover
Author
page.
name.
Cover page.
Yes. What does the cover page have? Come on, go ahead, tell me.
The name
Title.
name of the book. The author name.
The author name.
No, what is the story of?
And ma'am, the fame of author, like the #1 best.
No. The front part of the book is
Ma'am,
talking about
sometimes
the
it
fame.
contains a picture also.
Okay, fine.
Sometimes
so how
or maybe
about
every time.
how about I
Students.
call out the name? I call out the name of students, and you tell me what the cover page of your book has. How about that? Yes. Humaira, what is the name of your book, beta?
The Prophet of King.
Perfect. Show it to us. Yes. So the title of her story is The Prophet of King. Perfect. Batul, what else apart from the title does your cover page have? Book cover have?
Author name.
Author's name. Can you tell us the name of the author?
Glory Villain.
Glory. Okay, perfect. Apart from author's name and the title of the book, what else do your book
Ma'am,
cover
I had
have?
a picture.
Aisha Aga. Oh, Humaira says she has pictures. Lovely. Perfect. Yes.
And a side of like what
No. We've not come on the back. Aisha, only the front.
a picture.
Picture, name of the author, and the title of the book. Okay. Do not open the book now,
Illustrator.
Hamza. Name of the illustrator. Do you have the name of the illustrator as well?
Ma'am, it's inside.
Hamza,
My
do
one
not
is
open the book, beta.
Ma'am, my one it's written inside illustrated.
Okay, it's written inside, but on the cover. Yes, Rushda.
Ma'am, can I say I have one pen?
The author's name is Enid Blyton.
Enid Blyton, yes. Okay.
That's the famous five. I know that.
Okay,
Can I say?
Go ahead.
Ma'am, you know the book Bloody Horowitz?
Ma'am, it is written also.
Okay, now how about
And
we
ma'am,
open the
also
cover?
background. Ma'am, a nice background.
Yes,
on
a
the
very
front.
nice background. Okay, how about we open the cover? Only the cover. Okay, what's there on the very first page of your book?
Ma'am, it's a
Tremendously moving and
It's a quote. It's a short quote.
and important.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
a
the
short quote.
backstory. Ma'am, the backstory.
It's
Ma'am,
well
the
written,
backstory.
engaging, and so much.
Okay, the backstory. Okay,
Ma'am, it's a short
Summary.
short quote.
a summary. What is that
Ma'am,
summary
it's a
called?
short quote.
Is it labeled as summary?
No.
Ma'am, it's not
Then what
labeled.
is it
It's
called? A preface?
The summary isn't called anything.
it is not nothing written.
Okay. All right. So, Aisha Aga has the cover page itself.
Ma'am,
on the
did
very
my
first
story come on Google Classroom?
page. Yes. Huh?
And the book who is
Did my story come on Google
Okay.
Classroom?
I'll check beta. I want Batul to read that. What is there on the very first page of your book, Batul? Oh, we don't have Usman coming, right? He's not coming.
Blazing Usman. He didn't came in the maths and the
So he must
He
not
got
be-
afraid. He got afraid from the ma'am. From the.
Ninth class.
You first keep your speaker down and speak. Abdullah.
Ma'am, he got afraid from the test, ma'am.
What test?
The
There was
exam.
test today?
This who tells?
Too many
You guys had test today?
No,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then what was your Anyway.
Revision.
Okay.
The revision, ma'am.
Revision. All right, no problem. Hamdan, go ahead. Did you open your book? What was there on the very first page, Hamdan?
reviews, ma'am.
Reviews. Yes, Hamdan. Read it out for us. Reviews from where?
Tremendously moving and uplifting, hopeful and important book, The Bookseller. It's well written, engaging and so much fun to read that the pages almost turn themselves. More than that, wonder touches the heart in the most life-affirming, unexpected ways, delivering the August Pullman, a character whom reads will remember forever. Do yourself a favor and read this book. Your life will be better for it. Nicholas Sparks. Fun, funny, touching, honest. Daily Mail. A powerful read, likely to become a huge hit with readers of all ages. Stylist. A terrific story. Palacio is exploring some fundamental truths about about how humans behave and how they should behave. Telegraph Online.
So, children, you will not find these reviews in all the books.
Ma'am, there are
Which-
many reviews in my book.
my book there's no
It's written,
Yes.
take a magical journey into an exciting world of elves, fairies, gnomes, and brownies with the Chimney Corner collection. You can settle down happily in a corner and read all about the secret cave, the enchanted table, the wizard's umbrella, and many more enchanting stories. A collection to treasure from the pen of one of the world's most popular children's authors.
Okay.
Famous Final Treasure Island.
Aisha, tell me, why do you think your story doesn't have any reviews?
ma'am,
Your
my
book
story
doesn't have
has
any
review.
reviews. I'm coming to you. How many of y'all the book that you have right now have reviews? Raise your hand and let me know. So we have Abdullah, Hamdan. Yusra.
What have you
Ma'am, I have a
Said-
review. I have a review.
Not at the back of the book. Not at the back.
Not
of
at the back, at the front.
Okay. So you guys have review. How many of y'all do not have reviews in the story? Okay. Okay, go ahead. So I want Aisha and Juveria to tell me, why do you think their books have reviews and your books do not have reviews?
my book is
I don't have review.
Sorry? See,
Ma'am,
when
I don't-
Aisha is talking, I would really appreciate if others keep quiet. Yes, Aisha, can you repeat again, please?
ma'am,
Big
this book is from Singapore.
So you think it, okay, you think because it's from Singapore, it doesn't have reviews. Fine. Juveria, what do you think?
Because the authors wrote a lot of books, they did not write in every single book the reviews.
Okay, Batul, how about you?
Is this a review?
No. Can you all show a review? Abdullah, go ahead and show the review. How does your review look? Show it on the camera. Batul, tell me, child, why do you think their books have reviews and our books don't have reviews? I don't have a book itself, so I can't really say. Yeah.
Here, ma'am. There in the end of the book.
Flash.
No. That's not a review, Aisha. That is just a short summary. Yes.
I only have one review.
Mine. Is it okay?
Yes, that's fine. You know, children, not all the books. There are so many authors and writers in the world, and they write so many stories, but not all the stories become the best sellers.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am,
But once,
because story did not sell much, that's why there is no review.
yeah. So that means it did not reach out to people. All right. It was not the fault of the author. You don't have to get discouraged, all right, because your book doesn't have a review. It's not your fault at all. You know, maybe the masses, the book was not promoted well, right? It was not.
Eddie Dickens and Eddie Dickens' Dreadful Acts.
Okay, that's one. And it
Also,
was
there's
not
reviews, ma'am.
given out, it did not go out to people so much, it did not reach out for the masses to actually read the story, appreciate it and write a review. Okay, these stories just happen to be the best amongst the all.
It was not
Okay,
rated well.
and yes, and the stories that have reviews were rated well. Okay, people really read it and it reached out to people. Okay, let's flip the page. Come on. Second.
Ma'am, on my second page, a drawing is there.
A drawing is there for you to understand the setting, Aisha. All right.
Yeah, they're showing
Ma'am, there are contents in the second page.
Perfect.
third.
This is what I want. Yes. Okay. Okay. So there's
There are
much
many
about how it given over there, the publication and all. Okay. What is the publication house? Come on.
Ma'am, it is written, why did he make this book
see
like
my-
for children?
Harper Copeland's-
Spy-
Okay.
Alfia, ma'am. See
Yes,
my-
Humera. Mommy, take it a little back, Humera. So your story starts with the second page, Humera. That's excellent. That's perfect.
It's written something like this.
Yes. Now
Ma'am,
this,
there is no
children,
continents in this book.
Also,
content. Yes, there will be no content because it's a children's book. Okay.
ma'am, the Aardua who wasn't sure, the cat who wanted to go home, the Georgina who wanted to grow up, the hen who wouldn't give up, the owl who was afraid of the dark, the pig.
That is character introduction. That's character introduction. Okay, so he is introducing the characters. All
Ma'am,
right.
see, these are my some contents like this. Winklepip walks out, Red Rock the pony.
Those are the
Magic
name of the
Walking
chapters.
Sticks.
Those are the name of the
Yeah.
chapters. All right.
Ma'am, I have
So,
the same
The
book.
content.
okay, you have the same book as Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am. The owl who
The owl who?
was afraid of the
And
dark.
we had this book in Red
Okay, the
Camel.
owl. Really?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
see, the author who wanted to
When we were in
Ma'am,
second, we
Jill
had this book when we were in
He's
second.
the author of this.
Okay,
He's
those
the
are the
author.
series.
He was the author. Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
those are the book
These
of
are the
series.
series. This
Ma'am,
is
it is
the
written
first.
by Jill Tomlinson.
Okay, written by
And this
Jill
also
Tomlinson.
by
Very
Jill
good.
Tomlinson.
Okay. So that's the
See,
same
ma'am.
author who
See,
did
ma'am,
in
behind it is
series.
written. Ma'am, see the dark owl. The owl who was
Perfect.
afraid.
Yes.
Author, ma'am.
What's the publication? What's the publication house? Come on. Tell me.
That one, this one. That one.
Okay, she has another part of the series. There she is, Aisha Aga.
Yeah. See the gorilla.
Yes. Oh my God, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Abdullah Patel,
See.
tell me, who published your book? The book that you
Anthony
have.
Horowitz. Anthony Horowitz.
That's the name of the publication house.
Acha, publication.
Yeah. How about you, beta?
Ma'am, what is publication?
The people who published is a Penguin publication. Hota na? It must be written over there.
हाँ वैसा होता है मैम.
Publisher's name is Corgi over here.
Corgi. Yes. That's correct. Hamdan, correct.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aisha.
Show
Yes,
us the
that's
story.
content. Correct.
yeah, see, ma'am, here also we have.
Ma'am, I have a publication, ma'am. See.
Ma'am,
Tell me
Walker
the name.
book. Ma'am, Walker book. Walker book.
Walker Book is a publication house. Very good.
Ma'am, content.
Yes, there's
Ma'am,
content over there. Okay.
ma'am, can I say something? Pat is a little sea otter. She likes stories
Aisha,
of
that
her
you are
toes
showing
and-
me. Shh, Ibrahim, control yourself.
It's taken on my page
Aisha,
of
the part that you are showing me is the name of the series. Okay, the name of the series that he's written throughout. Hamza,
Ma'am,
why are
on my
you not
third
talking? Hamza is
page-
so unlikely.
Ma'am, on my third page, there is information about the author.
Okay, perfect. How many of you all have that in the book?
Ma'am, me.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Excellent.
I have
Yes.
Jill Tomlinson.
About the author, perfect.
It's
You know what?
written in-
I'll get a book. It's not, I'll get one book that I have right now. It is not a fiction book, but I'll still get it.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am, I have it.
I'll still get it. Give me a minute.
A panda.
A panda.
Ibrahim Bhai, see, I also have this.
I also have this.
See, Jill Tomlinson.
Yeah, he's afraid from the dark. I know that. And she likes to swim.
The author
And she likes to swim. And she has a lot of questions.
You have this page, this.
And nobody can answer that.
Okay.
Ma'am, why did you name your name Hamza Sheikh?
Because Hamza named himself as Alfia, so I named myself as Hamza. Okay. Yeah.
Education riddle.
Yes.
Done reading with that book.
Ma'am, we got on the quiz when there was the quiz, na that one.
Really? Oh my god, this is the book I always wanted. I got it from the author himself. And I was so happy. I
Ma'am,
was,
we want to call you Hamza, ma'am.
yes. Okay. So,
Ma'am, Hamza ma'am.
yes. Okay, that's funny. See, my author says it's a self-publishing book. Okay, it's published by himself, no publishing house. It was printed.
Yeah, ma'am. In the candle wax also it is written.
This book is
published by
dedicated to
himself.
his mummy and all the teachers. And then about the author, I have it on the last page. Yes, and a brief description of what the book is about. Do you guys have this?
Yes, ma'am. Every story of my book it have.
किसको भूख लग रही है भाई?
No, ma'am.
मुझे ma'am.
This is another book that I have. Okay. The name of the author is given, Mark Manson. Okay. And the publication house is Harper One. A brief description about the author and a brief description of what is inside this book. Oh, it is also New York Times bestseller. Okay, so it has a review. It's one of the best sellers that we've had.
Worldwide bestseller.
Subtitle
Worldwide.
riddles.
Sharma.
And then I have content over here.
Ma'am, we
Let
have
me
Sharma.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Hey, Umar, why have you written yourself as Thor?
Our diaries.
I
Okay.
am Thor.
have one more. Umar is the fake Thor.
Keep going.
And
Now your
Ibrahim
book
is the
should have
original
content.
Thor.
So our books have content. Okay.
Umar write Hawkeye. You're
Show me
very
the
nice in
first.
archery.
Yes.
Hey, I'm better than him.
Oh. Show me the first chapter of your book. Come on, everybody. First chapter. Boom, boom, boom. First chapter of your book. Chapter 1. My first chapter says don't try. My first chapter says don't try.
Ma'am, my first chapter
Twinkle
says
Pipe
question.
works out. Okay.
Ma'am, my
Twinkle
first
Pipe
chapter
works
is down to earth.
says
Ma'am,
question.
please.
down to
Ma'am,
earth.
please see me.
Yes, I can see you,
My first
Humaira.
chapter is ordinary.
Hamza, ma'am, please see me.
Hamza.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my first chapter says question.
Hamza ma'am.
Question.
My first is
Alright.
ordinary.
Hamza, ma'am, please see me.
Ordinary. Okay. Juveria, how about you, child?
Hamza, ma'am, please see me.
I saw Humaira. Humaira, ma'am, I saw you. Okay. Rushna, how about you? Okay, the shadow in the night. Ooh, creating some interest right over there. Juveria, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have that introduction in the first page.
Perfect. Okay, that's excellent.
Journey Mustalfan.
Yes. Okay, and then we'll have lot of chapters going ahead. Okay, and the book towards the end. See,
Ma'am, I have 60 chapters.
see chapter.
60.
Bro, that's quite a lot, huh? How many chapters do I have? I have 9 chapters. How many chapters do you all have?
Ma'am, in the cover page of the book, it's written 60 classic stories.
24.
24 chapters. 9
That's a big book.
chapters.
9.
Ma'am, 9
Same here.
chapters.
Same. 9 over here as well.
Ma'am, because this is the series, and
Yeah,
then there is a big.
There are
book
other
of
parts
the
to it,
whole
correct.
thing.
So fat.
Yeah.
Loki is
So
very
fat.
Also has many parts. Ma'am, this has many parts. Let me see, ma'am.
Loki is very
Okay.
fat.
Ma'am, see.
Ma'am,
The Alex
The
Rider.
author has fed it with too many words. Yes.
Ma'am, the Alex
famous
Rider
parts has
series.
so many parts.
Stormbreaker, Point Blank, Skeleton Key, Eagle Strike, Scorpia, Archangel, Snakehead, Crocodile, Deer, Scorpia, Rising.
Chapters.
Okay. How many?
I'm 22.
22. Uma said 22. Yes.
Pages.
Alfia Soni, start your video and unmute
92
yourself.
pages. I don't know how many
92
chapters.
pages. Well,
Ma'am,
I-
Hamdan, Loki.
I have 212 pages.
Ma'am, Umar's name, second name is what should I write?
Okay. Do you guys have acknowledgement towards the end? Like
Ma'am, I
after
have 90 pages.
every chapter, do you have acknowledgement?
No, ma'am, I don't.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have 248 page.
Oh, hey, you've got Charlotte's Web.
Ma'am, I also have Charlotte's Web.
Wow.
Ma'am, I have Charlotte.
I've seen the movie but not read the book.
Wow. You guys have classics in your homes, man. I'm so jealous of you right now.
Ma'am, you know, ma'am,
419 pages.
You
Ma'am,
have
in
a
this
library.
book, ma'am, in this book he has discussed of the other characters also, ma'am. See.
Y'all remember like Matilda? Towards the end of Matilda
Yeah.
book, there was discussion
BFG,
about
BFG.
BFG. Yes.
Yeah,
it's similar.
the Roald Dahl.
Ma'am, I know,
Ma'am,
Loki
Aisha,
knows
ma'am, you
everything.
know,
Ma'am, I have
the
this
that
book also.
Aisha
It's a
has got-
non-fiction book.
The
It's a
non-fiction.
yearbook.
Okay. Right now we are talking about the fiction books, right? Non-fiction. We
Ma'am,
do
you
it
know
in minute
that-
2. Yes,
Ma'am, you
Abdullah.
know, the book Aisha
Ma'am, but I
brought.
didn't
My
understand
sister
Charlotte's Web.
My sisters were saying their YouTube channel. So one was they were hiding some things and they so Amina hid something under that book and she couldn't find it. Aisha couldn't find that thing.
On the YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am. They posted a YouTube video which they
Yeah,
were
that.
saying something.
I am not. What
to
is
win a-
Amina's?
to
What
win
is
an
Amina's?
iPhone.
I will show you now.
Creative Agas,
Creative Agas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
the channel name. Ma'am, whoever wins, they get a nakli iPhone.
हाँ नकली iPhone मैम कार्डबोर्ड का बना.
They tell that they will win iPhone 11 Pro and then they give nakli iPhone.
Amina says I was waiting my whole life for the iPhone and she gets a naqli iPhone.
Ma'am, Aisha Aga is showing, see ma'am.
That's
Ma'am, let her show, you will have fun, ma'am.
Okay. Let us see. Come on. No problem.
to the book challenge. It is very funny. Not the customizing.
Oh, creative agas. Okay. I am so into subscribe now. Last to leave the bed. Oh my god.
Treasure. That's still treasure hunt.
Don't know it.
No. Go on your channel first. Yes. Click on Creative Agas. Click on Creative Agas, Aisha. Yes. Now over here the search button is given, right? About, next to about. Search button down over here next to about.
Yeah.
Yes. The search
Yeah,
button,
see.
beta. Subscribe के
Right
नीचे है ना
over there.
search button, search icon है ना subscribe के
अरे
नीचे.
see it's here. Subscribe के नहीं. अरे no.
Next to about.
Subscribe के नीचे.
हाँ, बाजू वाला next to
Yeah,
about.
next see
Yes.
the search one.
Click
See
on
the
that and now
search.
type the hunt or
Hunt,
whatever.
not book hunt. It is hunting.
This iPhone 11.
No, ma'am, not this one. This one. Yes, ma'am.
Book hunt. See this one. Book hunt. Hunt winner wins an iPhone 11.
Oh my god, they are so cute.
Do full wall.
No, Aisha, when you were sharing the screen, na bacha, you did not share the computer audio.
Oh no. Pause it.
Pause the video. Stop sharing.
And share and then
Yes, and when you click on share now, there will be an option given down, share computer sound.
yes, very good. And now share.
Yes.
Start from.
Just filming my Just Aisha. Oh, hi guys! Oh, sorry, you're filming Just Aisha, right? So, yeah. Not me to interrupt you, but what are you doing?
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'm filming Creative Agas. You filming without informing me? Sorry, but you were just busy with stuff. So what are you doing anyway? Today, we're gonna be doing the book hunt wins iPhone 11. What? Wait, first of all, what's a book hunt? Second of all, from where did you get the money for an iPhone 11? And third of all, I'm in it to win it. Well, first of all, I'll tell you last of all, and second of all, I have a lot of money in my piggy bank, so I can afford it. And what was your third question again? I'm in it to win it. Maybe your answer is you're out to win it.
Seriously, Aisha? What did you mean with that?
Okay. Anyway, so from where? What is a book hunt? So technically, we're going to be taking this entire TV room and hiding 3 books. And in that book will be written another book name, and that book you have to go and find. So guys, you guys might obviously have not understood what she said, so we just paused the video and she clearly explained it to me, so I'm just going to explain it to you guys. Basically, we're going to be taking 3 books, and when she's in the room, I'm going to be hiding all of those books, so when she finds her first book, in that book there's going to be the name of the second book, and then there's going to be the name of the third book. and then we're gonna be timed to how we find the books, and whoever has the least time is going to win it, which is gonna be me.
Which is gonna be me.
Let's begin. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be doing rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah!
So I gotta go first. I gotta go first.
So she's gonna hide 3 books. I'm gonna go in the room and wait.
Okay, guys, so this is all the books we have. I mean, we have more, but from this pile, I'm gonna be choosing. So the first book, I'm gonna be choosing this one. Roald Dahl, Charlie's Chocolate Factory. The second book, I'm gonna be choosing this one. Diary of Wimpy Kid, The Meltdown. And the last one I'm gonna be choosing is this. Judy Moody Gets Famous.
So let's search for the items. So what's the name of the first book?
Okay, first book is Charlie's Chocolate Factory.
Okay.
The time starts now.
Where could it be? Probably it's not behind the pillows because that's really obvious. I think here, maybe. No, it can't fit here. Maybe. Oh my God, there's so many drawers over here. Yeah, the piano maybe? Nope, it's
Don't spoil my piano!
okay, she's never gonna hide in that, obviously. Like, if I find another book except for like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, I don't have to keep it. I have to I cannot find that. First, I have to find Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
That's so sad. She literally found the other book right on top of the.
I've literally looked everywhere.
And it's right over there.
I found it! Let's see where I found my phone. Okay, where's the second book? No. So, it is Diary of the Wimpy Kid, The Meltdown. Okay, The Meltdown. Where could that book be? Where? Meltdown. Where's the Meltdown?
That book is in the pillow cover.
Acha, it is the pillow cover.
Ma'am, who is this?
Found it! Okay, let's see this. I've already found this book, so Judy Moody gets famous.
Who is this?
It's right up here. I got it.
Let's stop the timer, let's stop it!
So that my time was
7 minutes, 12 seconds, and...
oh my God, it was 7 minutes and 12 seconds, guys. I
Okay,
can't believe it.
Stop the screen share over here, and it was fun watching that a book hunt, and definitely okay. So who? Somebody asked me who is this? That was Amina Aga. It seems they have a YouTube channel.
It was
What is
Mohammed
it?
Sakil.
Mohammed Sagar. Okay. So it was the YouTube channel, and it was fun watching the video. In this class, we explored a book, the parts of book, and what it really does have, hoping that we make a similar book of a similar kind. Okay.
And tomorrow is
And
not the mock trial, na?
tomorrow, I'm planning not to have a mock trial because the instructions were quite clear, and you guys have been working on it already. So
Ma'am, what
I could see.
So it's directly on 28th July.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is your name?
That is Tuesday.
That's right.
Ma'am,
Anas,
please
what
state
is it?
your name.
You told to write the country's name, your favorite. When we will do that?
Yes, that's Anas. How about I'm gonna call you after this class? Okay, I'll call you and I'll explain it to you what it is about.
Ma'am, after class, you see the full video. Okay?
Yes, I'll watch the full video. Humaira, बच्चा, I want you to click picture of your story and WhatsApp पे भेज दो मुझे, ठीक है?
मैम मैंने व्हाट्सएप में भेज दिया,
Okay,
डैडी ने भेज
perfect.
दी।
Okay, with this I will end the class. Thank you
Ma'am,
so
you
much
really
for being
got
there.
my story, right? Bye, ma'am. Thank
WhatsApp, did you send it on WhatsApp?
No, Google Class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
I'll check it. And just in case if I did not get, I'm going to message you. Okay? Bye, take care.
ma'am.
See you.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, you want to see
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, you want to see Alfia ma'am?
Bye, ma'am.